Hello, good morning everyone. Myself Gayatri Manwade, lecturer in Adft, Government Polytechnic for Women, Hubli. In last session, we have gone through the subject fashion design. In that, we have discussed human anatomies, its theory, its knowledge, then division of its theory. Today we are going to discuss regarding the types of human figures. What are the types of human figures? The types of human figures are classified into two groups. We can see the classification of these figures in this flow chart. Firstly, normal figure and then abnormal figure. In normal figure, the normal figure is proportionate, hence the name proportionate figure also. Then abnormal figures. In abnormal figure, there are several examples that are short and stout figure, tall and thin figure, stooping figure, corpulent figures, semi-corpulent figures, then erect figures. Let us see what is normal figure. Normal figure, it refers to the proportionate figure as well. The proportions of the figure will be according to our height or standards. Example, bust, shoulder, seat, these all organs should stand proportionately and normally in posture. Solely we call as proportionate figure. Here in this type of figures, the abnormalities will be less, very less than compared to the abnormal figures. For this kind of figures, many wide varieties of fabrics or patterns or garments can be tried out, and these will suit them and go well on them. The varieties of fabrics will drape well on them. So, these are the perfect figures. Now, let us see what is abnormal figure. Abnormal figures are not proportionate in height or weight or girth measurements. Girth measurements are nothing but circular measurements or circumference measurements. Examples are tall and thin figure, short and stout, erect figure, corpulent figure, and many more examples are there. These figures have certain or similarly abnormalities in common. For example, in some figures, the shoulders will bend forward due to backbone problem or neck spinal cord problem, or due to overweight also sometimes the body will bend backward. And in some cases the bust will be prominent, the hips will be prominent, thighs will be fat. So the name abnormal figure. While designing, a special uttermost care should be taken for this kind of figures. In this kind of personalities, it's very difficult to adjust and make the proper fittings. Usually all kinds of patterns and fabrics does not suit them. So you should think what kind of fabrics or patterns will suit them, which is the right one for them. We should plan accordingly and then only we should decide what is best for them. Now here are some questions for you. Normal figure refers to the erect figure, fashion figure, proportionate figure, stoop figure. Next question. The abnormal figures have dash in common. The options are abnormalities, dresses, features, personality. Now the answers are, first one is C, second one is A. I hope you all enjoyed the session, guys. Thank you. See you in the next session. Till that, take care.